So now we are going to start exercise 7.2. Before starting this, we need to go through some formulas which are very much important for us. As you all know, profit is equals to SP minus CP, loss is equals to CP minus SP. Similarly, profit percent is equals to profit by CP into 100, loss percent is equals to loss by CP into 100. These formulas I think we have done previously also. I don't think you have any doubt in it. And remember two more most important formulas. SP is equals to 1 plus P by 100 into CP. In case of profit, use this formula. In case of loss, we are going to use SP is equals to 1 minus L by 100 into CP. If you are having a data of profit and CP, if you directly put it over here, you will directly get the SP. No need to do the other calculations. So these two formulas are very important. Now in this exercise, what we are going to do is, I'm going to show you 2 to 3 sums. And I hope the things will be clear from my end. The first sum they have given you, CP is 400. Now one part 1 I am doing, one part 1 I am doing. CP is equal to rupees 400. SP is equals to rupees 468. Profit is equals to SP minus CP. They have said you to find the profit percent or loss percent. Here we can easily see SP is greater than CP. Whenever SP is greater than CP, whenever SP is greater than CP, there is always a profit. There is always a profit. So what we are going to write over here, rupees 468 minus 400, which is equal to rupees 68. Now profit percent is equals to 68 by 400 into 100. This one is profit. This one is CP. This is into 100. So 004 17 times. So profit is equals to 17%. I hope this sum is clear to you. Now sum number 3. I'm going to show you sum number 3. By selling an article for rupees 7770, that means SP is equals to rupees 770. Loss is 110. So loss is equals to rupees 110. So in case of loss, what do we know? Loss is equals to CP minus SP. So from here CP, if we need to find out, we will take SP over here. So CP will be equal to SP plus loss, which will give you 770 plus 110 is equal to rupees 880. Up to this I think things are clear. Now SP 770, 880 is loss. They have said to find loss percent. Loss percent is equals to loss by CP into 100, 110 by 880 into 100, 11 8 times, 4 2 times, 4 25 times is equals to 12 1 by 2%. Here 110 by 880 into 100, 0 cancelled, 11 1 times, 11 8 times, 4 2 times, 4 25 times I have done. I hope the things are clear now. Now we will move on to sum number 5. The last sum of 1 to 10 will be your 1 to 10 even parts you will have to do homework, classwork, and then odd parts will be your homework. So complete 1 to 10. So move to sum number 5. A shopkeeper cost price of an article is 20,000 and rupees 400 spent on repairs. Now remember one thing, whenever you purchase anything, the things that will come to your place in between, if you have any expenses, that will be directly added to cost. Suppose you went to market to buy a cycle. You purchased a cycle for 5,000 and after purchasing you took a taxi that cost 500. You ate something for 100 rupees and finally you reached your place. So after reaching your place, what will be the cost price of the cycle? That 10,000 plus 500 rupees taxi fare plus 100 rupees that eating what you ate. So the cost of the cycle will become 10,600. I think this part is clear to you. So what do we have? Cost of an article is equals to rupees 20,000 amount spent on repair is equals to rupees 1,400. So total CP is equals to rupees 20,000 plus 1,400. That will become rupees 21,400. Now they have given you profit percent is equals to 20%. CP is equal to question mark. I have said you in the beginning, whenever profit and SP they have given us CP, directly we can put it over here. We are going to go to further calculation. Now SP is equals to 1 plus P by 100 into CP. SP is SP we need to find it out. Yes, SP we need to find, not CP, sorry. SP we need to find it out. So it will be 1 plus 20 by 100 into 21,400. Now we will take the LCM, it will become 100 plus 20, 120 by 100 into 21,400, 0, 0, 0, 0, cut. See, 1 0 is there, so 1 0 will be there in the answer. 12 4s are 48, carry 4. 12 1s are 12 plus 4, 16, 6, carry 1. 12 2s are 24, 1, 25. Rupees 25,680. So SP will be, SP is equals to rupees 25,680. Thank you.